Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can chat on Happn app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Happn app, and once you open it, and make sure you have already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Happn apps on in the screen, where you can see the crosses at the bottom right corner of this screen or dashboard. Simply tap on that crosses and now you can chat over here on Happn app successfully. But make sure you have matches, because without matches you cannot chat with anyone else. So make sure you have a matches before you chat. So basically this is how you can chat on Happn app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.